Enos Jeru.
Now, the move to electric transport has gotten a major boost after China's car maker Chery Automobile Company signed a partnership with India firm Afrigreen to start assembling electric vehicles in Kenya. Now, speaking during the signing event in Nairobi, Wei Hai, who's the general manager, Central African region, noted that assembling will start in Athi River in a month's time, first with Omoda SUVs before venturing into other categories of vehicles.
There's a huge opportunity in the automobile industry, value chain space. Currently, the vehicle population in Kenya is around 1.6 million, and the motorcycles are 2 million. But the electric vehicles, they are only 400,000. So there's a big gap there, which can be filled by the investors who are interested in the EV space, and EV is one of our priority focus area that the government is focused on and is incentivizing that sector to attract investment into that space.
It's a very great opportunity for us to push the EV cars and to save the people's cost and having a better choice from the transportation and also making a great life.
We are planning to start the assembly within 1 month's time. We are looking at something around 5,000 to 6,000 vehicles assembled every year for the next couple of years as we look for the market both in Kenya and the COMESA and East Africa region.
Now, farmers in